I can't believe after all this time, I still haven't done a video to show you how to change the subtitle brightness and subtitle position on Panasonic, 420, 820, and 9000. So here you go. Of course, you have to choose the subtitle to be turned on first. So you switch this on, and let's play the movie. So once the movie is playing, you grab your Panasonic remote, and you press Option over here. See that? You press that, and then you will see those options. Go to Subtitle Settings, press Enter. Now over here you can set the subtitle position. All right, you go plus, that means higher, or you go lower, as you can see on the subtitle there. And then you can also change the, how bright the subtitle you want. So you can make it as bright as the original, or you can also reduce it. I personally usually use -5 or all the way to -7, depending on how bright the movie is, or actually how dark the movie is. So the subtitle don't really poke into my eyes in terms of brightness. So, and when you're done with that, you just get out from this menu, and that's that. You're done. So let me repeat. Press Option, arrow right, arrow down, press OK for subtitle settings, and then you change whatever you want to say. Over here, whether the position or the subtitle luminance, which is the brightness. So that's it. Unfortunately, you have to redo this for every single movie that you want to watch, because there's no memory of your changes being done by the player. So is this helpful for you? Leave your comments down below, and don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to my channel, so the next time I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.